Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and I'm really excited to present you with this beautiful Audi approved A4 Sport 1.4 Petrol engine which gives off 150 PS, what we have in stock. I'm going to start by giving you a 360 walk around about this stunning vehicle and then talk a little bit more about the interior. So starting at the front of the car, we've got the striking Xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights, ensuring you have the visibility that you need on every single one of your journeys. Around the side of the vehicle, we've got the gorgeous 17-inch 5-spoke wide design alloy wheels, which look incredible out on the roads. With the electrical adjustable door mirrors, which are also heated, perfect for those winter months, with the built-in LED side indicators just for your convenience. This A4 is finished in the beautiful brilliant black, which is a solid paint finish. Moving on into the back, where your passengers will be able to travel in style and comfort in the back of this A4 with the full leather trimmed seats, the ISOFIX points so your little ones will be safe at all times, and the centre armrest climate control just for that added comfort on those long journeys especially. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have got the rear diffuser clip in chrome, as well as the parking system plus, so you'll have parking sensors and on the front and the back of this vehicle, ensuring maximum confidence whilst parking up and manoeuvring. Moving on into the boot size on this A4, we can see it definitely does not disappoint neither. With the very incredible practical size of this boot, you'll be able to fit all yours and your family's belongings in, and it's perfect for those shopping days or family days out. And with the comfort dynamic suspension really adding to the driver's experience, alongside with the beautiful chrome plated trims for the exhaust system. Moving on into the front cabin, we are greeted by such a luxurious interior with the 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with all the steering wheel controls, and as we turn around we've got the beautiful very comfortable front sport seats, and these seats are manually adjustable. So that concludes the 360 walk around, and now it's time to talk a little bit more about the interior on this A4. Moving back inside, we've got all the door mirror controls on the driver's side, so it's incredibly handy to get your mirrors in that perfect position, as well as the automatic headlights, ensuring every single journey is as effortless and easy as possible for yourselves. Moving on to the beautiful steering wheel, we have got the cruise control, so it's never been so relaxful on those long motorway journeys home especially. With all the steering wheel controls, so from the left hand side you'll be able to change song or view your digital dashboard, and from the right hand side answer those important phone calls and activate voice control with the automatic rain sensors, so it'll make your journey as effortless as possible. Moving on in front of the driver, here is where it maximises on the convenience of the driver with the digital dashboard. You'll be able to view everything about the car, get your directions up and change radio station from here. This A4 has done 45,958 miles and comes with 2 sets of keys. But moving on to the Multimedia Interface, which houses your sat-nav, so it'll get you from A to B with route guidance and live traffic updates along the way. The telephone interface, so you'll never miss those important phone calls whilst you're out on the go. With the DAB digital radio, so you have an endless list of radio stations to scroll through and add to your favourites for a shortcut for later on. And the media player, so you'll be able to connect to your favourite devices via Bluetooth and play your favourite tracks. Furthermore, we've got the 3-zone deluxe climate control, which is super accessible to you and your passenger in the front, as you'll be able to have both sides on a different temperature, and also the heated seats just as another added luxury. We've got the 6-speed manual gearbox with the electrical mechanical parking brake just for your convenience, as well as the front centre armrest just for added comfort. So thank you for watching this video on this Audi approved A4 Sport, which is part of the Audi approved use scheme, which includes a minimum term of cover of 12 months warranty, alongside with flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive now, please contact us on 01254 868 216, and thank you for watching.